I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to highlight alternating rows in Google Sheets. To demonstrate this, we will use our list of the top 200 individual comic issues to see how quickly you can apply and customize this clean look. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and select the range of data you want to format. For our list of 200 comic books, you can click the blank square in the very top left corner of the grid to highlight the entire sheet instantly. Step 2. Move your mouse to the top menu bar and click Format. Step 3. Select Alternating Colors from the drop-down menu. This will instantly open the Alternating Colors sidebar on the right side of your screen. Step 4. Review your selected range in the box at the top of the sidebar to make sure it covers your whole data set, which in this case is cells A1 through G201. Step 5. Look under the Style section and check or uncheck the header box depending on whether your list has a top header row. For our comics list, we want to leave header checked so that our titles like writer and publisher stand out. Step 6. Click on any of the pre-made color themes under the default Style section to apply it instantly. Or use the Custom Styles options below to pick your own specific shades for Color 1 and Color 2, then click Done. Your changes will be applied immediately to your spreadsheet. Using the built-in Alternating Colors tool is much better than manually shading rows with the Paint Bucket tool because Google Sheets treats this formatting dynamically. If you later decide to sort your comic books by year or filter them by a specific publisher, the alternating pattern stays perfectly intact. Even if you completely delete row 50 or insert 3 new comic book issues right in the middle of your list, Google Sheets will automatically recalculate the shading so you never end up with too dark or too light rows sitting right next to each other. If you ever want to remove the alternating colors completely and go back to a plain white grid, you don't have to undo your work cell by cell. You can simply select your data block again, open that same format menu from the top bar, and click Alternating Colors to bring up the sidebar. At the very bottom of that panel, you will see a prominent button that says Remove Alternating Colors. Clicking that button will instantly strip away the shading and reset your spreadsheet to its original default look without affecting any of your typed text or formulas. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.